Just basically do a full kind of analysis of yourself. The way you're going to do it is, I want you to write down your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths are basically things you're good at. Weaknesses are the things you're not so good at. Opportunities are where are there opportunities that you can improve and grow and expand your game. And threats, what are things that can keep you off the court? So if you know, we can do this with anybody, but you know, a threat could be you're not good at defense, so your coach doesn't trust you to put you out there. You're not able to handle pressure, so your coach can't put you out there when the game's on the line. You can't make free throws, so you can't play when it's crucial minutes, etc. So it's called a SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Once you do that, then what I want you to do is make a list of all the things that you could work on and could kind of try to improve. Okay, so number 1, self-analysis. Number 2, SWOT analysis. Number 3, list off all the potential things we can work on. Number 4 is I want you to rank those in order of importance. So basically ask yourself, if I could only get good at one thing this summer, what is the one thing that would make me grow the most out of all the things on your list? What's the most important thing? And then what's number 2, what's number 3? And list off your top 3 things. So for me, I was shorter. One of my weaknesses might have been low post moves. I was not good at those. That was a weakness. But that wouldn't help me as much as me making more shots or me doing, you know what I mean? So that's what you do. And then the last thing is easy. 5, create a plan to improve your priorities. An actual plan. So that doesn't mean like say, you know, your priorities are, you've got to get better at, and be detailed, but say priority number 1 is finishing through contact. Priority number 2 is being able to make more shots, and priority number 3 is being better at a triple threat. Then priority number 1 is the most important one. We're going to be able to finish through contact. So then what we need to do is list off all the moves that you know you could do. You need to work on the teaching points, like write down all the teaching points. All right, I got to be on balance. I've got to be better angles. I've got to do that. Number 3, you could also talk about what could prohibit you being good at finishing. Well, if I'm not strong enough, well, that means I got to get in the weight room, so come up with a weight room program. All those things go into being a better finisher against contact. And then number 2, making more shots. Well, go back to what we did earlier. Review your shot on film. What are the weaknesses? Is the ball spinning the right way? Are you leaning in a certain direction? Are there imbalances in your shot? Are you consistently pulling back your follow through? Are you consistently snapping at the, et cetera, et cetera? Break down to build up. And then you go through everything like that and come up with a comprehensive plan so that when you step foot in the gym, you know exactly what you need to work on and what you're doing, instead of going to the gym and just saying like, all right, hopefully I get better at finishing today, or I'm going to work on a couple of things with finishing today, but you don't know if it leads to your improvement. If you have kind of it's like a GPS. If you use your GPS, if you go on Google Maps and you put in a destination, it tells you exactly how to get there. And if you get off the course, what does it do? It reroutes you to get back to there. You guys need to be your own GPS. If you guys want to get good at finishing, that's the destination. Create the program, the plan to get there, and then have milestones so that if you get off course, it gets you back on. So you're constantly evaluating, are you on the path to get the results that you guys want? That right there will help you guys a ton when you guys are building your guys' programs this summer.